Hey, I'm your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Come on, today we learn number 2, how to draw. You draw like this, 2 number, then you extend this like this and then semicircle and do like this, duck. Now second number 2, you do like this and like this. Snake. Come on, we'll do second. See, write 2 number like this. See. Night lamp. Come on, we start 2 number like this. Then you do cloud. And then you do circle here. And then you do sun. Day and night. I am doing a sketch pen. See, it is a night. And snake color will do dark green color. See here. Okay, now next video on number 3. Please share, like and subscribe.